Hi there, what's crackin'? Welcome to my tutorial series on learning Cypress plus Cucumber. In today's video, you'll learn how to configure VS Code for writing Cucumber or Gherkin tests. So before we continue on with our project of writing tests for the To-Do MVC app, it makes sense that we configure VS Code to help us along the way. So if I go into Cypress, integration, and then homepage.feature, we can see that I don't have any syntax highlighting, and I also won't have any autocomplete or auto-suggest functionality. VS Code has detected that we don't have an extension for the .feature file, so we can search the marketplace. And the one we're looking for is the Cucumber Gherkin full support. So we'll install that and go back to that file, and now we have syntax highlighting. If we start typing a Gherkin keyword, for example, and, we can see that it's suggesting ability or and. So if I continue with and I start writing one of my steps, I see the home page. We can see that it doesn't actually suggest my step for me. And it would be nice for it to look through all of my steps and find the ones that are appropriate for me. So let's get rid of all of that. And let's add some configuration to the plugin. I'll copy that and we'll go to the settings for VS Code into JSON mode, and we're going to drop two configuration settings here. Cucumber autocomplete steps, which is an array of glob style paths to where it can find the step definitions, and also Cucumber autocomplete strict Gherkin completion. And this will ensure that the plugin only suggests steps that relate to the Gherkin keyword that I'm writing at the moment. So if I write this again, then I see that I have string, I see the following to-dos, I see the home page. These are the three steps that are defined as then and begin with I. And if I move up to the given section and I type given I, we can see that it suggests given I have no to-dos and given I navigate to the home page. So we can choose one of those and autocomplete. Okay, the next thing that we need to do is format on save. So let's say I misformat this file and we save it. We can see the then is still incorrectly indented. So we need another configuration value for VS Code. So we go into the settings, the JSON mode, and we're going to configure for files of type feature, editor.formatOnSave true. Save that, go back over here, we hit save, and we can see the then is now correctly indented for us. So that's configuring VS Code for Cucumber or Gherkin tests. If you like what you saw in the video today or any of the other previous videos in the series, hit the subscribe button or even go and click the thumbs up button and all the YouTube stuff. If you want to ask any questions, write them in the comments below, or you can come and join me on twitch.tv/DaneHarnett. 3 times a week I live stream coding, writing tests like this kind of thing, and feel free to ask any questions live when I'm on air. You can also tweet them to me at twitter.com/DaneHarnett. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.